Luthier Ivan and Luthier Jeffrey is working over there. Today I'm going to show you a little trick. Why? Because nobody taught me anything. I had to learn it on my own. We're Freddy today. Over here. So I've already leveled my fretboard. Use my straight edge. It's nice and level, right? There's no light anywhere. So what you do is, you want to make sure you use your Stumac. Thank you for this. This is great because I don't go deeper than what I want. Before I do that, I try to use a little level piece of wood, something I don't use. I go, I cut, and then I test my fret. If I'm happy with the fret depth itself, then that's where I leave it. And this is where I have it right now. But what happens is, sometimes when you're sawing, sometimes your saw feels like you're sawing a piece of bone, right? So instead of sawing a piece of bone, you say, how can I make my saw any softer? How can I make it run a little smoother? There's something called, where is she? There we go. Look at this. It's a 50-cent candle. Go here. What I like to do is I like to go on the edges so I don't kill the saw on the sides. And I go on the other side a little bit as well. That's going to make your saw smooth as butter. So now you come here. I need my 3D glasses. I go into my groove. I place it. And there we go. Look at that. Sawing your life away. And it feels like the saw is flying on butter. So, if you learned something today, it's because I learned it the hard way. You don't have to learn it the hard way. You can learn this little trick and it's going to make your life easier. Thank you again from Pinol Guitars and Ukuleles, Luthier Ivan and Luthier Jeffrey.